Here's a little unboxing of this Garvee portable AC unit. I like unboxings because it's nice to see how stuff comes packaged, to see if it's, packaged well, if there's a high chance it'll come damaged. In this case, packaged very well. The cardboard was very strong, and then also inside of the package, everything was just completely covered in custom foam wrapped around it, so everything came in perfect condition, not a single dent or scratch, and the box itself came in great condition. On the top of it, you got just all these little different attachment parts. Your hoses for connecting the unit to your window. You also get a little Ziploc bag that has an instruction manual, the remote for the unit, and then a little bit of hardware in there as well. As you can see, that big, huge foam block that I just pulled out of there. Great job at keeping everything protected. And then on top of that, everything comes wrapped in plastic, so really does just arrive in really nice condition. It's a little bit heavy, not too heavy, but if a little bit heavier stuff is difficult, then just unbox it in the most convenient location. This is the the wall outlet, the plug that I was trying to get the plastic off of, but just decided to take another hack at that later. It's actually easier to pull off once you get it out of the box. But here's a look at the main unit. Really actually sleek looking. It looks better than I even thought it would. And then these are the pieces that you attach to your window, depending on your window configuration, so that you can then run the hose from the unit to your window. It rolls really well, has really nice wheels on it, and then it also has a control panel on top of it, like you can see right here.